Hi friends. Hi friends. Today we are going to take out a mosambi's juice. So this is the juicer, and so we will need 5 to 6 mosambi's for this. So let's start. First step. Go to the fridge. And so here we have opened the fridge, and now we need to take out 5 to 6 mosambi's to take out the juice. So here we have 5 mosambi's out with us. Now we need a knife which we would find in a drawer. Here's the knife. So now we have a knife ready with us. Now you just need to cut the mosambi's into half like this. So now let's see how to cut the mosambi's into half. So here we have 5 mosambi's. Now just take the knife and take the mosambi. So it's like this. So it is not for small kids to use. So special advice. Now just take this and cut it into half. And now here we get the half of a mosambi. So like this, you need to cut all the remaining 4 mosambi's into halves. So here we have our mosambi's cut out. So now we need to just put these mosambi's into this for the juicer, and then just pull it down with your handle. Keep pulling, and then just pull it hard like this. And here we have the juice inside the cup. So now this mosambi is totally ripe. And now we will take another one and just juice it down. And we get some more juice. Hope you are enjoying this video. Oh. Some more juice to come out. Sorry, it was stuck actually. So now it's out. This mosambi goes too. So using this process, we need to take out all the mosambi's juices. And now here we have all the mosambi's juices taken out. So this was the machine we were using for taking out the juices. And now let's show you that how much juice is taken out of these 3 mosambi's. This is quite less, but like if you take more mosambi's, the more juice you get out of them. So now you can just drink it, and it's ready to drink. You can add some salt or sugar if you want, but it'll be better if you don't, because the pure juice is the juice. And so hope you all like this video. If you like it, click on the like button below the video. Thank you.